Hello everybody, I was on Classic Firearms and I saw these on sale, these M91 Calvary Carcanos. So I figured I'd pick it up, and it finally got here from Classic Firearms to the FFL. I just got back from there today, and so I figured I'd just open this up and show y'all what I get, because these have been in stock for a while and I imagine they've kind of been running down their resources. So I just want to let you see what you're going to be getting into if you were going to buy one of these. Kind of taking it out the box first. Now I did get a little glimpse of this at the gun store, but I wasn't really looking at it. So discard the box. Put your gun in all its bubble wrap. Okay. I'll bring the camera in for a little bit closer view, but this is the rifle overall that we're looking at. Get it like that. Looking pretty good. A little rough on the metal, but nothing crazy. The bayonet doesn't hang down too low, so that's not bad. Flip it around on the other side. Looking good. You got some interesting stuff right there. I'll bring it in and let y'all see that. Looks like they repaired it or something. That's interesting. It's like huh. Alright. So yeah, there we got the whole gun right here, so let's get it in for a little bit closer look. Starting from the back to front on the right side of the rifle, I did a little check and we are missing the cleaning rod, but that's no big surprise. See a little bit of character on the stock. See here, show you this metal real quick. Nothing too crazy. Here's the repairs on this stock. These look, I'm not sure what these are. If you guys know, these are from the factory or anything, or if it was a repair after. It's pretty interesting. Not sure. Got the top handguard, good condition. The fancy rear sight. The bayonet. Fold it out. Yeah, the right side of this gun is looking pretty good. Another once over. The magazine right here. Now here we are looking at the left side of the rifle. Again, like a little worn, but nothing crazy. We have another little repair right there. Oops. Overall, this is looking pretty good. I really like the sling mounts on this. If ammo was easier to acquire, I would definitely take this deer hunting. It's definitely powerful enough little cartridge. Just got have the nice little sling going from here to here. Be real convenient. Nice little packer. Overall length is real small on it, so who knows, we'll see. I wanted to let you know that this did have the button style bayonet. I'm pretty sure all the ones coming from Classic Firearms have the button style to close it. If you're looking for the lever or the little switch or any other kind, you're just going to be out of luck. I mean, you might get lucky, but I wouldn't buy one of these expecting to get anything else than the button. Ooh, that's a little rough. You can use some more. Yeah, guys, so I wouldn't be uncomfortable buying a Carcano from Classic Firearms at all, because on the ending note we got the matching stock serial number to the action serial number. So it is a numbers matching rifle as well, at least in that part. I didn't see any numbers on anything else, so can't be 100% for sure. But so I know like Royal Tiger Imports, or I think that's what it was called. There was some other website had them for a few bucks cheaper. Maybe buy it from there, because they also had the option to do hand select for the bore rifling and the cosmetic condition, where Classic Firearms doesn't look at mechanical condition at all. I'm pretty sure it's just cosmetic condition. But if the other site sells out and then this is all that they got, and you really want one of these, I wouldn't be concerned about purchasing it at all. They are a little bit beat up, but I mean, like, for such an old rifle that's definitely seen a lot of use, for a little over 200 bucks, I mean, it's a cool thing to throw in the collection. It's not like you're going to be out shooting this thing every day with ammo availability of it, unless you're a reloader, which this would be a grand rifle to get into reloading. You know, it's pretty much your only option, so you'll get really good at it pretty fast, I imagine. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you know anything about those wood repairs on the other side of the stock, and let me know how your rifles look. And yeah, please subscribe. A little part at the end of the video here. I'm inside now, the lighting's not going to be as good, but I just want to let you know that I did do some research, and these repairs are actually from a grenade launcher that was fixed to the stock. I guess that they are usually fixed to the M28 carbines or something like that, but they must have just repaired this one with the M28 stock when they refurbished it in the 40s. So yeah, that's pretty cool.